Hey guys, today I'm teaching you how to download the Huntington Bank mobile app in 2025. If you're a Huntington customer and want to manage your money on the go, I'll walk you through exactly how to install and set it up step by step. Let's get started. First, open your App Store if you're on iPhone or Google Play if you're on Android. In search bar, type Huntington Bank Mobile. Look for the official app with the green H logo by the Huntington National Bank and tap Install or Get. Once the download finishes, tap Open to launch the app. On the welcome screen, tap Login if you already have an account or enroll now if you're new. If you're logging in, enter your username and password, then tap Login. For first-time users, follow the on-screen prompts to verify your identity and create login details. After setup, you can check balances, pay bills, transfer funds, or even deposit checks directly through the app. And that's how you download and install the Huntington Bank mobile app in 2025. It's fast, secure, and lets you manage your banking anytime, anywhere. If these guests help you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick step-by-step tutorials. See you in the next one.